Hello friends! Thanks for joining me. I made another Halloween journal and I am going to do a flip through. I did not do any process videos for this journal. The cover is a very soft suede, I guess it's like a faux suede. It feels so nice. It's very soft, as you can see. I wanted to let you know that this journal is available in my Etsy shop. If you need one for October daily or to use as a fall scrapbook or anything like that, this I think would fill the bill very nicely. This journal is made from a scrapbook kit, coffee dyed paper with some black accent, vintage bridge contract sheets, some other authentic vintage ephemera, satin trim, beads, cut aparts, die cuts, and more. Within this journal are two smaller journals in the pockets. This is some coffee and gold dyed paper that I created, and I slid it into a paper bag pocket. So the other half of the paper bag pocket will be later on in the video. And I just cut the, there's a closed end because obviously it was paper bag. So I just cut the closed end off. This is one of the smaller journals that I made, and the cover of it is a vintage check register cover. A few people asked in my last Halloween video flip through of a different journal, they asked how I made this black paper. This paper did start out as white paper. I made some coffee, very, very dark coffee, and I added black paint to it. And then I threw it in my yard, and that's how I made it. This is the other small journal that I made and added to this journal. You can see that there's an actual leaf on the front of this one, and then some ephemera, and then a picture from a book that I tore out and inked the edges. Just put some papers in here, plain papers, Halloween papers, and then some scrapbook papers. But I will tell you this, between this journal and the other small one, there's an additional 36 pages. I totally forgot about this one. I made this, I guess, is the third other small journal that I made inside of this one. And so I guess we would have more than 36 more pages. I didn't count. I'm not sure. At any rate, this one's kind of cool. I really like this one. There's a vintage envelope in there, a vintage bank statement, and some of the black coffee dyed paper as well. I made a tag with a belly band on it with 2 additional tags under the belly band. Friends, I hope you enjoyed this flip through. As mentioned, it is available in my Etsy shop. Thanks for watching. See you soon.